I'm J. Marie Smith with Arch Medical, showing off our brand new low-profile ratchet handle. We do the manufacturing of the metal components and we do all the silicone overmolding in-house. The silicone comes to us in different forms. We put it into the mold press, and then we can do custom molds as well. If you wanted a different shape handle versus all the ones we offer here, we could create almost any shape handle that you want. We can color match any Pantone PMS color to your logo. We can do pad printing on most of our handles. We are working on 2-color silicone handles right now, which a lot of our customers have been asking for. So you could combine like a blue and a black together, and it's just a really nice distinctive look that'll make your handles stand out from the competition when it's in the hospital. You want to make sure your handles make it out and don't get lost in the crowd.